Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Asteria hair. They sent me over a bomb wig. I can't wait to show you guys. So this is some of the things that came in their packaging, and it comes with a wig cap, all the regular things. I still wanted to show you anyways, and some lashes. This is the wig that I've been anticipating to show you guys. The lace is a short lace, but it's so freaking bomb. Like, this is the thickest closure wig I have basically in my collection. So I wanted to show you guys this wig. Look how thick this is. What the heck? Like, it's so freaking pretty. So I'm going ahead and cutting off the closure area, just cutting the sides, both sides with my scissors, and then I'm going to cut the middle part of the lace with these eyebrow shaver. Once it's shaved down, I'm putting it on my head, and I did not put the foundation in it yet, but I just wanted to see how it was laying on my head. So you can see right here, it's basically already melted even without the freaking foundation. But we're going in without foundation because I'm not walking around looking like this. Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the number 15, and I'm just putting that all over the hairline. And then I wanted to do some edges. I always want to do edges. I mean, if you don't want to do edges, it looks perfectly fine without. But I wanted to do some light little edges. I don't know. I just like that look on me. So you can see I'm just measuring where my eyebrow starts and in front, just to make sure that the little baby hair area is sitting properly. Flip that hair out of the way. Trimming that down with the same eyebrow razor. Using some of this extreme gel because I'm doing a glueless look. I may add a little bit of hairspray, but for the most part I'm doing a glueless install. I'm just brushing that back.
I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. 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 She want me to play with that cat.
I'm gonna play some music because I always do the same thing when it comes to curly hair. I just wanted to come and show you guys this thick, bomb, curly wig. Like, this is so freaking bomb. I believe it's deep wave, but I'll have all the correct specs in my description box. This wig is so amazing. I'm about to do my curly hair routine, and then I will come back and talk to you guys at the end.
Open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little Wholesale baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross side. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit-for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how the back of the hair is looking before I even diffuse it. I just wanted to show you how pretty this looks. I just can't get over curly wigs. It just looks so bomb. It makes you look so like a goddess. I'm making sure I'm drying the edges as dry as I possibly could get it without being tired. And then I'm diffusing the hair on warm air and then cool air all over the head until it's like 80 to 90% dry. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. Super duper bomb. So pretty, so thick. If you're interested in this wig, I have it linked down below if this is your vibe, if you've been looking for a thick, deep wave type of curly hair. So pretty. Make sure you guys check out Asteria hair. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye!